Prague, the capital city of the Czech Republic, is a place that has captured the hearts of travelers from around the world. With its stunning architecture, rich history, and vibrant culture, it's no wonder that Prague is the 14th most popular travel destination in the world in 2024. Founded in the 9th century, Prague has been a political, cultural, and economic center of Central Europe. The city boasts a wealth of historic landmarks, including Prague Castle, Charles Bridge, and the Old Town Square. These iconic sites are a must-visit for anyone exploring Prague on a budget. For a 7-day itinerary in Prague, here's a breakdown of what you can expect to see and do. On Day 1, explore Prague Castle and St. Vitus Cathedral, marveling at the Gothic architecture and grandeur of these historic sites. Day 2 takes you to the Old Town Square and the famous astronomical clock, where you can soak in the atmosphere of this bustling area. Day 3 is dedicated to the Jewish Quarter and the Prague National Gallery, offering a glimpse into the city's rich cultural heritage. Relax on Day 4 at Petrin Hill and Kompa Island, enjoying the tranquil green spaces and panoramic views of the city. Day 5 offers a day trip to Kutna Hora, where you can visit the Sedlec Ossuary, also known as the Bone Church. On Day 6, spend time at the Prague Zoo and Vyšehrad, immersing yourself in nature and history. Finally, on Day 7, shop for souvenirs and enjoy a final evening stroll along the Vltava River, taking in the beauty of Prague one last time. In terms of costs, the total for this 7-day itinerary comes to approximately $2,200, excluding airfare and accommodation. To save money, consider staying in budget-friendly options, such as hostels, guest houses, or Airbnb, where prices range from $20 to $80 per night. When it comes to safety in Prague, be aware of pickpockets in crowded areas and avoid unlicensed taxis. As for transportation, use public transport like trams and metro, or simply walk to explore the city. A 3-day transport pass costs around $15, making it a convenient and affordable way to get around. For U.S. citizens, there's no need for a visa to stay in the Czech Republic for up to 90 days. Just be sure to check current requirements and passport expiration rules before you travel. To make the most of your budget travel experience in Prague, keep an eye out for airline promotions and discounts. Booking in advance can help you secure the best deals, while saving money on food, transportation, and attractions can stretch your budget even further. As you bid farewell to Prague, take with you memories of its enchanting beauty and vibrant culture. For more budget travel guides to your dream destinations, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on new places to explore. Safe travels!